Hello friends, welcome to Nistec Computer Solutions Private Limited. I am going to show you the demonstration of one of our Facebook game application named Quench. This is the Facebook game application, so you need to start it from Facebook. Just write Quench in the search box and you will see the options or suggestions like that. You have to just select game from these suggestions and the game will be start. Let me tell you that Quench is made in pure Java language with well-known technologies like Ajax and XML. We have also used JSP and Servlet for this language. This is the loader of Quench from where our application will be start. This is the home page of our applications. Here in the center of these applications you can see My States block. From this you can check your answer credits, you can check your right answer, you can check your wrong answer and your positions in Facebook for this Quench game. Okay, now how to play this game? So to play this game you just need to hover your mouse in this image and the question will be generated as shown here. When you found any correct question for which you can give the answer, just select and click here. So now question generation will be stopped. Now in the answer box you have to give the answer for this question, as which two letters denote the version of the Microsoft Windows operating system released in 2002. You just have to give the answer and then just click on check your answer. If your answer will be right, then you will get the correct answer like that, and on clicking by continue your answer will be created 1. If it is wrong, then you have to from 3 to increases 4. Now again when you play game, just give the answer. Suppose you are giving to wrong answer, then you can buy your answer here. Here there are two ways. One is use your credit answer. If you don't have credits, then you can buy credits from PayPal. So by clicking on the credits answer, one of your credit will be decreased. You will get the correct answer and also your answer will be increased. This will be the decrease. Now in the bottom right corner your friend list are available, from where you can check your all friends who are playing this game. Not only the name and score, but you can also check their profile from here directly, which will open in a new tab. Same way for if you are not friend but all the Quench players who are playing this game, you can see the list. Here list will be in descending order, means highest scorer will be the first and lowest will be the last. You can see each and every player here. Same as your friend list, you can check profile from here also. So this is the Quench very easy game. Now if you don't like this picture, then you can change the image from here also. You can make like or dislike this game. You can also make comments for it. Quench is made by Nistec Computer Solutions Private Limited. If you want to invite your more friends, then just click on invite your friends and you will be able to invite your friends. Here are all your friends will be corrected. You can select your friends and just send request. So your friends will be invited for this game. This is the Quench, which is made by Nistec Solutions Computer Solutions in Java technology. Thanks a lot friends.